Are you looking for the budget indoor security camera that actually delivers? Let's check it out. Okay, let's open it up and see what TP-Link gives us for this price. Here's the quick start guide. So here's the camera, compact, sleek, and actually lighter than I expected. Next we've got the power cable. It's pretty long, I'd guess about 3 meters, which is super handy if your camera isn't right next to your plug. Alright, powering it on. You'll see the little LED red light come on. Now we can connect the camera to the app. First you'll need to install the Tapo app and go to Add Devices. Choose the C200 and set it up. Here it's asking me to connect the camera to the Wi-Fi. Alright, now it's asking me to name the device. I'm gonna keep it default, and which room, office, and you can change the icon to anything you like. And that's it, the setup is complete. Alright, let's go through the features of the camera. My favorite feature and why I chose this camera, it has the pan and tilt control. Let me show you right now. Full HD, night vision, motion tracking. Not bad for a tiny camera, under 30 bucks. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.